Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Avoalre shower caddy with hassle-free installation. That means no drilling is necessary. It's a shower basket out of stainless steel materials. That's really cool because this Avoalre lifetime shower basket is made out of SUS 304 stainless steel of the high quality, and that's for a long lifespan. This ensures that the shower trays you can install without drilling are durable, and it's not easy for them to rot. It's very easy to clean and very easy to attach. As you can see, the first step is we have to clean the surface. And the surface should be so flat at the best way. You can install it in the kitchen, in the bathroom, on windows, everywhere. I think everywhere you can install it. It's a 2-pack, ideal for shower storage, such as bath shampoos, conditioners, or storing in the kitchen, utensils, like spices and other items. We can use the Avoalre shower shells wherever we want. The loadable maximum weight will be up to 5 kilograms. The distance between the shower shelf can be adjusted when using the 2-part set, which is very suitable for storing large cans. And you can see you can remove it and reattach it. Of course, you should do that too often, okay? It's better to get it in position, job's done, okay? That's the best way. And the best way is to wait 12 hours after applying that onto the wall, okay? Then wait 12 hours until the surface glue is ready, okay? Okay? Because it's so easy. These shower baskets, without drilling, with the open grille for maximum ventilation and drainage. We keep our bath products clean and clear. Delivered with a stainless steel suction hook. We can hang up our toothbrush, razors, or towels as we like. And this shower shelf without drilling compared with a 3M glue, the nano sticker is more sticky. With that, a maximum weight of 3 up to 5 kilograms. This Avoalre bathroom shelf is really easy to installation. Of course, you can attach other things onto it. We only needs to be used after removing the non-marking protecting film. A fine replacement adhesive pads you can buy separately if you need them. In the box here are too small and too big one of that. But if you need more, enter B087R6Y64P. The Avoalre bathroom storage for smooth, hard walls, such as cement walls, tiles, glass, marble, etc. We do not use this shower trolley on wallpapers or painted walls. We do not fold the adhesive pads, especially not the part of the buckle that can affect the absorption effect. Of course, we have to measure a position and we make a mark, okay? It is the best to precisely install the adhesive pads once, but you can continue, okay? You can see here, I attached it 4 or 5 times. But it's important, if you attach it to a wall, for example, wait for 12 hours, then it's the best way and the longest match of your adhesive shower caddy. Heavy-duty design and hassle-free installation. This is the awesome Avoalre adhesive shower caddy. JS201. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.